Hello, this is Shubhapatra Roy. I'm an MBBS and I did a course on whole genome sequencing with the biodiscovery group of life sciences. It was a 2 day course, yet it was very comprehensive and a compact one. I really learned a lot about next generation sequencing. At least I got an idea about what it really is, and I'm thankful to the biodiscovery group for that.
Hi, this is Lakshmi Manasa, and I'm doing my PhD, second year PhD in biotechnology. I've attended a 2 day workshop session conducted by BDG LifeSciences, and it was on the topic next generation sequencing. And I would like to recommend the same to other students because it has opened to me. New experiences and new informations that was unknown to me so far, and it had helped me a lot in analyzing the data that has been uh, sequenced, and that was new to me, and that was never taught in any classroom sessions or anything. And I felt this was one that was a wonderful session, and I would recommend everybody to do the same. And the doubts were cleared on spot, and uh, it was of great experience, and it was of great help to my career too. Thank you.